Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our efforts with a like and subscribe. Let's install the new wiper linkage and get your wipers working. Step-by-step guide to replacing windshield wiper linkage. Replacing your windshield wiper linkage might sound challenging, but with the right approach, it's manageable. Follow these steps to achieve a smooth and successful replacement. Preparation. Before you start, make sure your vehicle is in a safe location. Here's how. 1. Park on a flat, safe surface. Ensure your car is on level ground. This makes the job easier and safer. 2. Turn off the ignition. Always work with the engine off to avoid any accidental activation of the wipers. 3. Engage the parking brake. Prevent any unexpected movements of your car. Removing the wiper arms. You'll need to remove the wiper arms to access the linkage. Follow these steps. 1. Lift the wiper blades. Raise the wiper blades away from the windshield. 2. Remove the cap. Use a flathead screwdriver to pop off the small plastic cap at the base of each wiper arm. 3. Loosen and remove the nut. Use a wrench to loosen and remove the nut holding each wiper arm in place. 4. Detach the wiper arms. Gently wiggle the wiper arms back and forth to release them from their mounting points. Be patient, they might be a bit stiff. Accessing the linkage assembly. Next, you'll need to access the linkage assembly hidden under some covers or panels. 1. Remove the cowl cover. The cowl cover is the plastic panel at the base of the windshield. Usually, it's held in place by screws or clips. Remove them carefully. 2. Lift off the cover. Gently pull the cowl cover away to reveal the wiper linkage assembly underneath. Removing the old linkage. Now it's time to take out the old, faulty linkage. 1. Locate the linkage assembly. Identify the linkage and its connection points to the wiper motor and arms. 2. Detach the linkage from the motor. Use a socket wrench to remove the bolts or nuts connecting the linkage to the wiper motor. 3. Remove mounting hardware. Take out any additional bolts or screws securing the linkage within the housing. 4. Extract the linkage. Carefully pull the old linkage assembly out of its position. Take care not to damage any surrounding components. Installing the new linkage. With the old linkage out of the way, here's how to install the new one. 1. Position the new linkage. Align the new linkage assembly in the same position as the old one. 2. Secure the linkage. Bolt the new linkage into place using the same mounting points and hardware. 3. Connect to the wiper motor. Attach the new linkage to the wiper motor, ensuring a firm and secure fit. Reassembling the components. It's time to put everything back together. 1. Replace the cowl cover. Align the cowl cover back into its original position and secure it with screws or clips. 2. Reattach the wiper arms. Place the wiper arms back onto their mounting points. 3. Tighten the nuts. Use your wrench to tighten the nuts, securing the wiper arms in place. 4. Snap on the caps. Reattach the small plastic caps over the nuts at the base of the wiper arms. Testing the new linkage. Finally, make sure everything works. 1. Turn on the ignition. Start the car to power the wipers. 2. Activate the wipers. Test the wipers at various speeds to ensure smooth and regular movement. 3. Check for issues. Look for any irregular movements or noises that might indicate problems. Final thoughts. By following these steps, you'll have your windshield wiper linkage replaced and ready for action. Regular maintenance and occasional checks can keep your wipers functioning well, ensuring safe and clear visibility in all weather conditions. Maintenance tips for windshield wiper linkage. Keeping your windshield wiper linkage in good condition is key to ensuring clear visibility during rainy or snowy weather. A little bit of maintenance can go a long way in extending its lifespan and maintaining its functionality. Here are some tips to help you do just that. Regular inspection. Performing regular inspections of your windshield wiper linkage can help you catch small issues before they turn into bigger problems. How often should you inspect your wiper linkage and what should you look for? Frequency. Aim for an inspection at least once every 6 months. However, if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions or drive frequently, consider checking it every 3 months. What to look for? Wear and tear. Check for signs of wear and tear on the linkage arms and pivot points. Look for any visible cracks or distortions. Loose connections. Ensure that all bolts and screws are tight. Loose connections can lead to irregular wiper movement. Smooth movement. Manually move the wiper arms to ensure they move smoothly without resistance or jerkiness. Strange noises. Listen for any grinding or squeaking sounds when the wipers are in use, as these can indicate problems with the linkage. By regularly inspecting these elements, you can address minor issues before they escalate, ensuring your wipers work when you need them the most. Lubrication. Proper lubrication is essential for preventing wear and tear on your windshield wiper linkage. It keeps the moving parts running smoothly and reduces friction, which can lead to breakdowns. When to lubricate. Lubricate the linkage during your regular inspections or whenever you notice the wipers moving less smoothly than usual. What to use? Use a high-quality spray lubricant. Avoid using greasy substances, as they can attract dirt and grime. How to lubricate. 1. Clean first. Before applying lubricant, clean the linkage arms and pivot points to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Apply lubricant. Spray the lubricant on the pivot points and moving parts of the linkage. 3. Test movement. Manually move the wiper arms to ensure the lubricant is evenly distributed and the movement is smooth. 4. Wipe excess. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any excess lubricant. Regular lubrication can extend the life of your wiper linkage and ensure it operates quietly and efficiently. Protecting against corrosion. Rust and corrosion are the natural enemies of your windshield wiper linkage. Exposure to the elements, especially in humid or salty conditions, can lead to serious corrosion issues. Here's how to protect your linkage from rust and corrosion. Clean regularly. Keep the linkage clean by washing it along with your car. Pay extra attention to areas where dirt and grime tend to accumulate. Use protective coatings. Applying a protective coating or anti-corrosion spray can provide an extra layer of protection against rust. Look for products specifically designed for automotive use. Avoid salt exposure. If you live in an area where roads are salted during winter, try to wash your car frequently to remove salt buildup. Salt is highly corrosive and can accelerate rusting. Store your car in a garage. Whenever possible, park your car inside a garage or under a covered area to protect it from the elements. By following these tips, you can help prevent corrosion from damaging your wiper linkage, ensuring it remains in top condition for years to come. Regular inspection, proper lubrication, and protection against corrosion are simple steps you can take to maintain your windshield wiper linkage. Maintaining this often overlooked component can make a big difference in your driving safety and comfort. Stay proactive with these tips to keep your wiper linkage in great shape. Replacing a faulty windshield wiper linkage is critical for safe driving, especially in bad weather. By following the steps outlined, you can tackle this task with confidence. Ensuring your windshield wipers work properly means clear visibility and a safer drive. Remember the signs of a failing wiper linkage: jerky movement, wipers not moving, and strange noises. Regular maintenance, like inspections and lubrication, can prevent these issues from becoming severe. Don't wait for your wipers to fail completely. Stay proactive, follow this guide, and keep your wiper linkage in top shape. Your safety on the road depends on it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.